Dreaming of a luxury living at premium interest? Then here's something exciting just for you. Puravankara Group is coming up with its newly launched premium project right here in Hennur North, Bangalore. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of codename Hennur. And in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. And right now I'm standing near the main entrance of our project and the land parcel. So here will be the main entrance and our land parcel, and the marketing office is getting ready inside the land parcel. Now let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and the project is spread across 3 acre of land parcel consisting of single towers divided in 2 wings, with 3 basement ground plus 24 floors, offering you 3 BHK, 3 BHK plus staff room and 4 BHK plus staff room premium residency. Now about the location part of the project is located bang on Hennur Main Road in Hennur North, Bangalore. So now let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and this is the Hennur Main Road, and this road on my right hand side will take you towards Hennur Junction. And the opposite side road will connect you towards Baglur. Now we'll be discussing about the further connectivity and location part. So basically you can connect to D-Mart, which is just opposite to our project, in 1 minute. Now you can connect to Hennur Junction in 2 minutes and about the Manyata Tech Park in 7 minutes from the project. Now about the amenities part, and the project offers you luxurious amenities like of a grand clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, multi-purpose hall, landscape garden and many more. Now coming to the super built-up area, and the project offer you 3 BHK, 3 BHK plus staff room and 4 BHK plus staff room premium residencies, where 3 BHK is of 2000 square feet, 3 BHK plus staff room is 2400 square feet and 4 BHK plus staff room is 2700 square feet super built-up area. Now about the booking process, and currently our project is in pre-launch stage and we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our project, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was a project teaser of codename Hennur by Puravankara Group in Hennur North, Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.